Good day everyone, and today's tutorial will be talking about Google Form. Google Form. So majority of us and they don't really know how to create a Google Form, and it's kind of a very simple, and majority of business owner needs to know how to do this. So the first thing is for us to go to, let's search Google Form. Google Form. So this is the link here. Click on it. So getting here, you know, getting here, we have a heading here. We have a heading. We have a heading, and also we have a subheading here. Subheading. So the difference between the two is maybe our major focus will be, maybe I want to collect my customers' details. Knowing your customer KYC. Let's use the first heading, the heading as KYC. So getting to the description, you can put knowing our customers. So that would be the subheading. So as you can see here, so so the first thing is, let me show you some little things about this form. So here we have this untitled question. That's where you will insert the question you want to ask. That's what you want to ask. You insert it here, you put it here. The question you want to ask will be here. How the person wants to answer it will be here. So in this column, in this situation, we have many how we can answer our questions, how people can answer your question. We have so many methods. In our line we call it data type. So we have different data types. So the first one here is a short answer. It's for short words, short characters, like name, like example is name, like your email, your phone number, all of that. So, and the second one here is paragraph. They normally use this one for address or bow, something like that. So that's what they majorly use it for. And also the next one we have multiple choice. Multiple choice is for when you have many options for you to tick one. So that's just what multiple choice is for. And the next one is we have check boxes. Check boxes is maybe you want to check, just like you want to when someone is attesting for a particular this thing, and you want to confirm, you want to check, or you have some options that you want to check, you want to take, or you want to tick more than one options. That's where they use it for. And this drop down is almost the same thing with multiple choice, but the only difference is that I just have to take this call. So the difference between drop down and multiple choice is that multiple choice is it lists it out, and it also gives a chance for you to add. Maybe the option you want is not in that list, so you want to add, you want to enter your own. So, and why drop down will be only the list in that drop down, it will list it out, you just click on it. So the next one is upload file upload. Maybe that person wants to upload a profile picture and all of that. Because of I don't want the videos to be long, I just have to shorten it. So, and we have linear scale, we have rating, we have multiple choice grid and choice. So date, we have date and time. So just stop there. So the first question I will be inserting is a full name, So the full name is short answer. So everybody knows that. So let me let me explain this to you also. This required. So this required, it stands as a, it's just like what is imply, what is required, because you want this answer to be a, to be a compulsory questions to everybody that is filling the form. So that's just the work. So when you turn this on, it will be very compulsory. So if the person did not fill this particular answer this particular question, you won't be able to submit. So that's just the work there. So a name is very compulsory. You must have a name now. So the next thing is when you want to, the next thing is for you to go to plus down here. You go to plus down here. So you click on plus. So another question for you to fill will come. So the next thing we'll be filling is an address. So address, Google Form system has detected address is a paragraph. It cannot be a short answer because address is a very long character. So we have to choose address. So address paragraph. So you turn this on also. That person must have an address now, at least. So you click on plus. The next thing is phone number. Phone number. Just very useful. Here. Phone is also a short word, a short answer. You turn it on. That person must also have a phone number. So the next thing is gender. You are trying to know your customer now. So immediately Google Form system detect that is a multiple choice question. So the first thing is you add your choice here. Number one, we have male, and immediately you have some options there, suggestions there. We are also add female. So you can see that you turn this one also on. Let's break this one down. I'm breaking it down. I want to bring this up, this phone. Just leave it like that. So the gender, we have female, male and female. So let's move on. So what other things can we add? We can add what other things can we add though? I just want to use this choices, this data type. I just want us to use it in this form. So in this one we have let me ask which branch, which store. Okay, don't let me ask that way. Which store do you patronize? Do you patronize? Wait, sorry, I said patronize. So in this one we'll be using, I don't want to use multiple choice. I want to use drop down. So in drop down we have Akure store, Lagos store, and we have Ibadan store. So we turn this on also. We come here, we click on plus. So the next thing is your profile picture. Your picture. Maybe you need the picture of that your customer. So So when you now choose file upload. Let respondent upload file from drive. Continue. So immediately you done that, this thing is there. So minimum, allow only specific type of, no, you can just leave it as image, or yes, let's use our image. Yes, you want a particular file type, yes, just image because it's a picture. Maximum number of file is 1. maximum size maximum size should be just, let me just use 1 megabyte. You don't want a large image, so you take this one. So the last one we'll be using is I think that's all. We should be done by with this. This one should be okay. So our form is ready. So if you want to check out the form, how it look like and all of that, you just come to this 3 dots. You click on it and you click on preview. Yes, you click on preview. So this preview will preview how the form will look like. So you can see now KYC, knowing our customer, your name, enter your name. Name is Akinwotolu Okufayo. Your address 27 blah 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 blah. Your gender, I'm a male. So you can see this one, you can't choose 2, it's just 1. And which store do you patronize? I patronize our Lagos store. You can see phone number and you upload your picture. So that's how it will look like. Very simple. So you now go back. Let's go back. So this is how it will look like. So the next thing is for you to go to the settings. If you want to change some other things in the settings and all of that, but we don't currently have anything for you to change also. You can also make it a quiz, but not today. We'll be dropping another video on how to make a quiz, how to make just a question, an exam like on Google Form. So you are going to set a question on Google Form, give it a score, send it out to your student, and they will do the exam and it will score them. So we'll be dropping another video on that actually, but not today. So the next thing is for you to click on this send icon. So after that you click on publish. So you click on publish. Your link is being published. This is the link, but you can shorten it. I normally shorten it though. So you copy your link. So that means your form is live. You can share it with your friends. So now go to your this thing and you share it with your customer. So this is the form here. So this is the link that you will be sharing with your customers. So that's very simple. So when they are done with the form, if you want to check the response, you just come here, click on this response. You will see the response down here. Everybody that filled the form will be here. So you can export it out as a Word and as PDF, or you can export it as an Excel. So thank you very much for watching.